Hi everyone, welcome back. All right, let's talk about family in Korean. This is one of those topics that's really different from English because Korean has specific words depending on your gender and who you're talking about. But don't worry, once you see the pattern, it all makes sense. Let's start with the easy ones.
엄마,
Means mom,
아빠,
means dad. If you've ever watched a Korean drama, you've probably heard these a million times already. They sound kind of cute and warm, right? That's because these are the informal, everyday versions, kind of like saying mommy and daddy. Now, here's where it gets interesting. In Korean, the word you use for your older sibling depends on whether you're a boy or a girl. If you're a girl and you're talking about your older brother, you say
오빠,
talking about your older sister, that's
언니,
boy, it's completely different. A boy calls his older brother
형,
and his older sister Noona. So 4 different words just for older sibling. This is one of those things that trips people up at first, but you'll get used to it fast. What about younger siblings? This one's actually easier. Dongseng is the general word for younger sibling regardless of your gender. But if you want to be more specific, namdongseng is younger brother and yeodongseng is younger sister. You can see the pattern there. Nam means male and yeo means female, so they just attach to the front of dongseng. Now let's go to the grandparents.
할머니,
Is grandmother, and
할아버지,
these are used all the time in Korea, and not just for your own grandparents. You'll hear Koreans call any elderly woman
할머니,
and any elderly man
할아버지,
as a sign of respect. It's actually really sweet. There's also a special word for parents when you want to be extra respectful.
부모님,
That nim at the end is an honorific suffix, so this is the polite, formal way to refer to someone's parents, especially when you're talking about someone else's parents. And to round things out,
아이,
it means child and
아기,
means baby. So that's Korean family vocabulary. The big takeaway here is that Korean makes you think about who's older, who's younger, and whether you're a boy or a girl when talking about siblings. It's different from English, but it actually tells you so much more about the relationship in just one word. Practice these, and you'll be ready for your next Korean family dinner conversation.